This is the deluxe pizza, meticulously crafted and flash frozen for perfect flavor. The dough is flash frozen at the peak of freshness, then pressed into this perfect circle, capturing that authentic pizzeria taste.
This mesmerizing slow-motion shot shows how the bright red tomato sauce is spiraled onto the frozen bases using industrial depositors.
We use only the finest Wisconsin cheddar and mozzarella, shredded perfectly to ensure maximum coverage on every pizza that comes down the line. Mass production means efficiency. Dozens of pizzas race along this stainless steel conveyor every minute.
This is the heart of our operation. The mega factory responsible for bringing delicious frozen pizzas to tables across the nation.
Ever wondered how frozen pizza is really made?
Welcome to the factory. We're so glad you're here. Let me show you exactly how we make our famous frozen pizzas right here on the line.
We make over 10,000 frozen pizzas per hour.
As you can see, this frozen pizza line is laid out for efficiency. The crusts travel first to the sauce station.
Our state-of-the-art facility adheres to the highest safety and hygiene standards in the industry, guaranteeing a quality product.
Welcome to the factory. Today, we're going to take you behind the scenes to show you exactly how we make our delicious frozen pizzas.
Go ahead and click that subscribe button for more videos from the Frozen Pizza Factory.
Sourcing the best raw materials is the first step in creating our delicious frozen pizzas. That's why
The granular structure is critical. We sift the flour by hand to guarantee the ideal consistency for our signature pizza crust.
Here at the plant, these towering silos ensure a constant supply of high-quality flour for our frozen pizzas.
Sourcing quality toppings is key. Our tomato paste is locally sourced, and the cheese and pepperoni arrive daily, ready for assembly.
We ensure all incoming frozen pizza supplies, like these cheese and vegetable boxes, meet our strict quality standards before storage.
We start with the finest, richest tomato paste, slowly pouring it into our kettles. This forms the perfect base for our signature frozen pizza sauce.
We use only the highest quality mozzarella, specifically formulated to maintain its texture and flavor profile when frozen.
these high-quality cardboard boxes and corrugated discs are essential for protecting the frozen pizza during transit. Here we see the specialized film used to overwrap your favorite frozen pizzas. Our advanced multi-layer barrier.
From the massive silos of enriched flour to the temperature-controlled sauce totes, every ingredient is handled with
Maintaining a consistent -10 degrees Fahrenheit and 60% humidity is critical for preserving the quality of our frozen ingredients. Safety testing is paramount. We pull samples directly from the pallets, ensuring every batch of frozen pizza meets our strict quality assurance standards. Here at the factory, we stage the ingredients carefully. The flour and yeast are headed to the dough room to begin the mixing process.
To begin the production run, we ensure all ingredients, from the fresh dough to the vibrant toppings, are precisely organized in their designated zones.
It all starts with the freshest ingredients. We take these ripe tomatoes and begin the transformation into the perfect sauce for your frozen pizza.
All right, ingredient prep is complete. The dough, the sauce, the cheese, and the toppings are all perfectly ready. Time to assemble the best frozen pizza on the market.
It all starts here in the dough room. We carefully measure the perfect blend of flour and water.
To achieve that ideal frozen pizza crust texture, we carefully measure exactly 300 grams of this high-quality, unbleached flour.
Here we see the active dry yeast combining with the sugar. This slow introduction allows the fermentation process.
The spiral hook rotates, developing the vital gluten structure in the dough, which is essential for the perfect frozen pizza base.
The mixer has stopped and the dough is ready. See how it springs back when pressed?
As the frozen dough thaws and warms, the yeast activates.
The machine pulls the fermented frozen dough from the hopper, slicing it into uniform chunks for consistent pizza crusts every time.
Consistency is key. That's why every dough ball undergoes rigorous weight control, ensuring the perfect foundation for our frozen pizzas.
Controlled proofing is essential for our frozen pizza bases. we maintain precise temperature and humidity to ensure the perfect rise every time.
From temperature curves to proofing cycles, this digital interface gives us granular control over every frozen pizza batch.
Our signature sauce is slow cooked in these kettles, ensuring that rich, savory flavor in every pizza.
The secret to our signature sauce lies in the seasoning. We infuse it with a perfect blend of oregano and basil right at the peak of the simmer. Here at the factory, we take whole blocks of fresh mozzarella and shred them perfectly for your frozen pizza.
Our state-of-the-art machinery ensures perfectly shredded cheese every time, with all safety protocols and covers securely in place.
These pepperoni logs are fed directly into the high-speed slicer, flying onto the belt, ready to top the freshest frozen pizzas.
The iconic pepperoni, perfectly layered and glistening with flavor, destined for the best frozen pizza you'll ever bake. Our state-of-the-art automated cutters ensure every vegetable topping is perfectly diced and ready for your favorite frozen pizza. Automation is key to our process. Here in the control room, we monitor every stage, ensuring millions of pizzas are made with The Frozen Pizza Line 1 interface displays the real-time temperature curves, ensuring the dough remains within the optimal proofing parameters. Once the dough is mixed and the sauce is simmered, our automated lines assemble the perfect frozen pizza. The journey begins as high-quality tomato sauce and golden olive oil flow rapidly through these stainless steel pipes. Precision control is vital. This gauge ensures our frozen pizza sauce is delivered at the optimal temperature and pressure.
To guarantee the highest quality, our technicians perform thorough inspections, analyzing the consistency and moisture content of the cheese shreds.
To guarantee consistency, we precisely weigh the toppings. This ensures every pizza has the exact right amount of delicious pepperoni.
Once the tote is filled with our frozen pizza sauce, it's immediately sealed and labeled. We scan the barcode to ensure precise batch tracking throughout the supply chain.
The processing phase begins with the precise synchronization of our state-of-the-art machinery. Kettles simmer the perfect sauce.
Pre-production verification is crucial. We check every component, from the dough to the final toppings, ensuring perfect consistency for our frozen pizza line.
Welcome to the core of our frozen pizza production. The transition from raw dough to finished product happens right here on these lines.
This is where the magic happens. The dough balls are delivered to the hydraulic press, which forms them into our signature frozen pizza crusts. The hydraulic press flattens the dough into a perfect crust. The high temperature creates the ideal texture, and the high-speed production line ensures perfect consistency. Watch as the press is synchronized to stamp the dough into shape.
This sheeting process ensures consistency, but alternative crusts, like those made through cold press or extrusion,
To ensure the perfect texture, our frozen pizza crusts are first expertly par-baked in this state-of-the-art tunnel oven.
As the crusts move through the tunnel, the intense heat causes the bottom surfaces to rapidly puff and blister, developing.
Setting the structure is key. As these bases emerge, they are perfectly baked, giving you that ideal crispy foundation before any toppings are added.
The frozen crusts travel along the conveyor toward the sauce station. Next, the automated nozzles will dispense our signature tomato sauce.
Featuring state-of-the-art precision dosing, our depositors apply the sauce in a perfect spiral pattern, ensuring optimal coverage for every frozen pizza. The mesmerizing, flawless pattern of this vibrant sauce is highlighted by the dramatic lighting, ensuring visual perfection in every spiral.
Consistency is key for our frozen pizzas. We ensure every crust receives the exact same amount of our signature sauce, spread perfectly to the edge.
A heavy curtain of freshly shredded mozzarella provides the essential first layer, locking in the flavor of our rich tomato sauce.
We believe the secret to a perfect frozen pizza starts with the cheese. That's why we meticulously layer generous amounts of our finest mozzarella.
The cheese application process is meticulously calibrated to ensure perfect uniformity across every single frozen pizza we produce. Automated topping patterns ensure perfect pepperoni distribution. The robotic arms can place hundreds of slices per minute with millimeter accuracy.
When it comes to frozen pizza, the layout is everything. We arrange our pepperoni in this classic concentric pattern, guaranteeing that iconic taste in every bite.
Here at the factory, we ensure variety. As you can see, we have the classic pepperoni and our deluxe veggie with extra cheese.
Our precision applicators ensure every slice is covered with fresh, vibrant peppers and onions, delivering perfect flavor every time. The secret to a perfect frozen pizza is ensuring the toppings remain ice cold until baked. While the process is mostly automated, our team provides that crucial human oversight, ensuring every pizza. Our commitment to quality means ensuring every slice is perfect. We meticulously adjust each pepperoni by hand.
Here we see the synchronized flow, a testament to our advanced line balancing algorithms, ensuring peak efficiency in frozen pizza production.
Inside the glowing tunnel, the cheese quickly reaches its melt point, bonding the savory toppings to the crust below.
To ensure the perfect bake, we load our pizzas with premium toppings before flash freezing.
Automated inspection complete. Topping coverage verified with 98.5% accuracy. Green zones indicate full compliance with quality standards.
Here we conduct inline sampling. This involves taking a pizza directly from the conveyor, weighing it, and
the key to a perfect frozen pizza is the par bake. You want a resilient, chewy center with an open, airy crumb structure.
Next, the pizzas move into our state-of-the-art freezing tunnels to lock in that fresh taste.
This is where the magic happens. Our signature spiral freezer locks in the flavor by rapidly dropping the temperature to below zero. Our state-of-the-art cryogenic spiral system rapidly cools the pizzas, creating the delicate frost you see and ensuring peak freshness.
We freeze our pizzas at the peak of perfection, ensuring every ingredient stays fresh from our freezer to your oven.
By utilizing high-velocity sub-zero airflow, we ensure every pizza is flash frozen, preserving taste and texture. Once out of the blast freezer, the pizza rapidly equilibrates to its ideal storage temperature, ensuring perfect preservation and taste.
Once the pizzas are fully prepared, they move down the conveyor to the packaging area, handled by our expert team before freezing.
Teammates. The high-speed pusher arm precisely aligns the frozen pizza before sliding it smoothly into the awaiting carton.
Utilizing advanced flow wrap technology, we can now offer a highly detailed, sustainable alternative for your frozen pizza products.
Our state-of-the-art process allows us to efficiently package both boxed and wrapped pizzas simultaneously before they are moved to case packing.
This date coder applies the best by date and a precise timestamp, ensuring every frozen pizza is fully traceable from our factory to your freezer. Throughput is maximized by our automated identification system, reading each barcode instantly with a confirmed acceptance signal.
This high-speed case packer automates the secondary packaging of frozen pizzas, precisely stacking them into larger shipping cartons for distribution.
Here at the factory, we take every precaution to ensure your frozen pizza arrives in perfect condition.
Our automated systems ensure every frozen pizza case is correctly labeled with its final pallet destination code, streamlining the cold chain process. To achieve optimal line balancing, the spiral buffer stages the flow of frozen pizza, ensuring in this state-of-the-art facility, our robotic systems handle the frozen pizza distribution with unmatched speed and precision.
Our suction cup technology delicately manages the frozen product, minimizing damage and maximizing efficiency across the production line.
Our automated system ensures every pallet of frozen pizza is securely wrapped, protecting the product during transit.
With a throughput volume nearing 10,000 units per shift, this facility operates at peak efficiency, delivering frozen pizzas across the nation.
As you can see, the pizzas are rapidly sealed and boxed by our high-speed machinery.
We open the package to inspect the product's integrity. Next, we cross-reference the label and print codes against the work order before clearing it for storage. Every pizza is flash frozen to preserve that perfect pizzeria taste, ensuring quality from our kitchen to yours.
As the pallets clear the blast door, they enter our state-of-the-art high bay facility for long-term frozen storage.
Maintaining the cold chain is critical for ensuring the quality and safety of our frozen products, especially pizza.
We maintain strict temperature control at -20 Celsius. This is critical for preserving the quality of our frozen pizzas.
As part of our quality control process, every lot undergoes a rigorous bake test to ensure perfect consistency.
Good. The sensory profile here, excellent. The crust has a bake, resulting in this audible crispness.
Next in our quality control process are the dimensional checks. The calipers confirm the diameter is precisely 30.0 millimeters.
Good. To calculate the moisture loss, we first weigh the frozen product. After baking, we compare the final weight.
As per our quality checklist, the frozen pizza demonstrates excellent crust structure, optimal cheese melt, and precise topping distribution.
This vacuum bubble test is essential for validating the seal integrity of frozen pizza packaging.
This is how we guarantee the safety of your frozen pizza. The detector scans every box, identifying.
Every batch undergoes rigorous safety documentation review. The green status confirms full compliance with federal guidelines.
From the towering freezer aisles, the forklifts retrieve pallets of frozen pizza, carefully staging them at the loading zone.
Efficient outbound logistics are crucial. We ensure millions of frozen pizzas reach their destination fresh.
Handoff complete. These frozen pizzas are now secured in the transport vehicle. We're dedicated to continuous improvement, meticulously testing every bake to ensure the highest quality frozen pizza for our customers.
From our kitchen to yours, we ensure every slice is crafted with care, bringing that perfect pizzeria taste right to your table.
This is the heart of the operation, a symphony of machinery and precision engineering, crafting.
To recap the process, we start by partially baking the crusts, then they're flash frozen to ensure that fresh taste when you bake them at home.
When you choose our frozen pizza, you're choosing quality craftsmanship. We invite you to taste the difference.
Every pallet you see here is packed and ready to go, traveling from our production line straight to the frozen food section of your favorite store.
That's how we get from flour to freezer in record time. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes tours of our frozen pizza factory.
Thank you for choosing our premium frozen pizza. Look for us in the freezer aisle and bring home the fresh taste tonight. How frozen pizza is made. Inside a modern frozen pizza factory.
Be sure to like this video and tell us your favorite frozen pizza flavor in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more.
We've covered the key steps: preparing the dough, adding the sauce and cheese, flash freezing, and finally, the packaging process.
This is the Frozen Pizza Mega Factory, feeding the world.
Subscribe for more factory tours, how it's made videos, and AI-generated manufacturing documentaries about frozen pizza and more.